Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 11th, and I'll be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that this is going to end up growing into an uptrend, most likely looking something like that, probably taking out these highs, and I think it's going to be either a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, it definitely doesn't matter to me because I will be looking for longs on sort of time frames. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see the higher highs, higher lows, which makes up a wave 1, I believe. I believe this move down is a 2, and I still think that we are in a wave 3. And I still believe that any moves we see to the downside on the sort of time frames are just going to be corrections, and this should just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows, eventually making a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have what I think is a wave 1. I still believe this is an ABC of 2, and I still believe this is all just one uptrend for what I think is a wave 3. And like I said, anything we get to the downside, I still think it's just going to be a correction, and I still believe that it will end up making higher lows, and just keep on trending up, all part of that wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, especially based on looking at the dollar indexes, I think this move down is an A. It definitely made three waves up right here. It probably is a B. And most likely it is going down now for a wave C, which is probably going to go down to at least the 50 or the 61.8 before it turns back up and ends up continuing the uptrend, all part of that wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now today we do have pound news. We have rate news for the pound today. So at this point it doesn't really look like it's ready to end the wave C. It looks like it actually needs to go down further. So I am expecting today's news probably will cause the pound to go down more, and maybe in a couple trading days, maybe even next week, it'll end up bouncing off one of these Fibonacci levels, breaking structure to the upside, which should prove that this ABC is over, which I think this is a downtrend for the A. I think this is very clearly three ways up for the B, and I think that we're currently in a downtrend for the wave C. So if we see a break of structure for that wave C, that should prove that the whole ABC correction is over and that we are now back into an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.